Hi there! So here is the retail packaging of the OnePlus Pad Go. We have the gorgeous lavender drift color, OnePlus Pad Go 2 branding. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. Now, usually I use a knife, but this time you don't need one. There you go. There it is, the gorgeous OnePlus Pad Go 2. Wow. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. Inside here, we have some paperwork that I believe no one reads. Then we have the much loved OnePlus's red USB-C to USB-A charging cable and a 45-watt Super VOOC charger. All right, let's remove this and see. There you go. Oh my God, that looks absolutely amazing. OnePlus logo here, the lavender drift color. Very, very nice, matte finish, doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Right on the top here, you can spot the rear camera. Very, very gorgeous looking design. Also, oh wow, that's a really thin slate. Also very, very lightweight. Usually I've seen tablets get so heavy. This one is pretty well balanced. If you look on this side here, you can spot the volume rockers. On the top is the power button. Then you have quad speakers, two on this side and two on this side. And of course, in the center is the microphone and the USB-C charging port. Very, very nice. Obviously on the front is the screen and there is a camera on the front. Let's quickly turn it on. All right, let's have a closer look at the display. So first thing I must say is that it's absolutely gorgeous. Huge 12.1 inch 2.8K display. Even the smallest text is so clearly readable. Check that out. Absolutely gorgeous. Very thin bezels. I would say it's really nice, easy to hold. And this is an 88.5 screen to body ratio, which means the screen is really, really big, goes almost edge to edge. Absolutely amazing. We briefly tested it outdoors as well. OnePlus claims 900 nits of peak brightness. As you can see here, it's pretty clear and usable even outdoors. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 also comes with stylus support, which means those who are into productive workflow, it's gonna be really, really helpful. When it comes to performance, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset. Now that should be a really good powerhouse and performance should be next level. More on benchmarks and user experience in my full review. When it comes to the battery, we get a 10,050 mAh battery with 33 watt charging support. I think that's pretty good. Plus, it also supports reverse charging. Now we have the drift lavender color, which is the purplish lavender color, which looks really nice. But there's also a shadow black color, which comes with 5G support. Yes, this one is Wi-Fi only, and this is the first Pad Go to come with 5G support. So if you're looking for a 5G tablet, you must go in for the shadow black color. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 is going to launch on 17th of December. You'll see a full review, all detailed, gaming, benchmarks, everything very soon. Meanwhile, what do you think should be the price of this tablet? Write it in the comments and share your feedback with us. Until next time, cheers!